Can science explain everything? Or to put it another way, can natural science truly account for all of life's deepest questions? Before we attempt to answer that, let's briefly consider a sharp exchange between one of the world's foremost professors of apologetics and the outspoken atheist scientist Peter Atkins. When Atkins insisted that science is capable of explaining everything, the apologist posed a disarming challenge, one that shook the foundation of Atkins's materialistic worldview.
Even when we say science explains, often it doesn't explain comprehensively. And I just want to throw a very simple analogy into this, which I find quite useful. About boiling water. How would you explain boiling water? Well, you can explain it by talking about heat conduction and agitation of molecules of water. You can also say the water is boiling because I'd like a cup of tea. Now, those two explanations are very different. They don't conflict. They complement. One is a scientific explanation, natural scientific, but the other is an explanation in terms of the intention and purposes of an agent.
It shows that you are particularly contaminated by your upbringing.
Well, it's very nice of you to say so.
Many intellectuals today hold the belief that religion is unscientific, that it offers no real answers and contributes nothing to our understanding of the natural world. But this, I suggest, is a false dilemma, carefully crafted by some atheistic scientists to keep the narrative in their favor. The truth is, science offers many powerful explanations, but it doesn't answer all the questions that matter most. Even Albert Einstein admitted, science without religion is lame, religion without science is blind. These words still ring true. Each discipline has its realm, and each needs the other. Science can tell you how to build a machine gun, but it is faith, ethics, and religion that tell you whether you should use it. Science uncovers the how, faith addresses the why. So can science explain everything? The answer is a clear no. It cannot explain the existence of objective morality, the origin of life, or the fine-tuned laws that govern the universe. In fact, science itself rests on assumptions that it cannot prove, assumptions that require a kind of faith to even begin the scientific endeavor. Only scientists who are honest about these limits can avoid the trap of ideological bias. And when they are honest, many find that the universe, sophisticated, orderly, and governed by constant laws, bears the fingerprints of a supreme intelligent being. That being entered our world, lived among us, died for our sins, and rose again to solve the deepest problem of all, the problem of evil. That's why Jesus could boldly declare, I am the way, the truth, and the life. If you like this video, subscribe to Theist Vanguard.